A cordless drill is the one tool that quietly saves the day, whether you're hanging curtains, fixing a cabinet hinge, building a shelf, or tightening a loose railing before it turns into a bigger job. The problem is, drills that look similar on the box can feel totally different in your hand, and details like balance, clutch control, and battery size can make a simple task either smooth or annoying. In this video, we're counting down the top 6 cordless drills for home use in 2026. Links to every drill are in the description below, so you can check pricing. Number 6. SKIL PWR CORE 20 Brushless 20-volt Compact Drill Driver DL6293B-10. If you want a capable drill for everyday house jobs and you'd rather keep the cost sensible, this SKIL lands in a sweet spot. It's a compact 20-volt drill driver with a brushless motor and a 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck, so bits stay put when you're driving screws into hardwood or drilling pilot holes in studs. It's rated up to 450 inch-pounds of max torque, and it uses a 2-speed gearbox at 0 to 500 to 1,800 RPM, which covers the usual mix of drilling and driving around a house. What makes it feel home-friendly is the weight and the lighting. The tool is listed at about 1.9 pounds, so it's easier to handle overhead, inside cabinets, or on a ladder. Then there's the LED strip work light, which spreads light across the workspace and stays on after you let go of the trigger. Pair that with 17 clutch settings plus a drill mode, and it's easier to keep screws from sinking too deep. In independent hands-on testing, this drill has shown solid performance for the price, including drilling a 1/2-inch hole into a 2x4 in about 3 seconds. Where it struggles is the big bit zone. Larger spade bits can bind and stall if you force it. The kit often includes a 2.0 amp-hour USB-C battery and charger, and the battery can also top up small devices. For a first drill, or a budget-friendly second drill, it checks the important boxes. Number 5. DeWalt Xtreme 12-volt Max Hammer Drill DCD706. For a lot of home projects, the best drill is the one you actually feel like grabbing, and this is where a good 12-volt drill can shine. The DeWalt DCD706 is a compact hammer drill rated for a top speed of 1,500 RPM, with a hammer mode that reaches up to 25,500 blows per minute. It's also designed around control. A 2-speed gearbox helps you choose slow and steady for driving screws, or faster drilling for cleaner holes in wood and metal, and the clutch gives you predictable screw depth. Comfort and access are the big wins. The bare tool is listed around 2.3 pounds, the working weight with a small battery is under 3 pounds, and the head length is about 6.6 inches, so it fits into tight spaces where a larger drill forces awkward angles. It also feels less tiring for long runs of screws, like building flat-pack furniture, installing drawer slides, assembling closet systems, or hanging a full set of blinds. The limitation is also the reason it's here. 12 volts has a ceiling. It will slow down with large spade bits, thick hardwood, or big hole saws if you push too hard. But if your projects are mostly furniture, fasteners, and occasional light masonry, it's a drill you'll reach for more often than a heavier 18-volt model. Number 4. RYOBI ONE HP Brushless 1/2-inch Hammer Drill Gen 2. RYOBI is a favorite for homeowners because the ONE+ platform is huge and the batteries swap across a long list of tools. This Gen 2 ONE+ HP brushless hammer drill fits that reality perfectly because it brings real speed and torque without turning into a complicated tool. It's rated up to 850 inch-pounds of torque with a 2-speed range of 0 to 700 RPM on low and 0 to 2,150 RPM on high, plus a hammer mode up to 34,000 blows per minute. Low gear is for controlled driving, like long structural screws, lag bolts, and hardware that you don't want to strip. High gear is for drilling, where speed keeps holes cleaner and reduces chatter, especially in thinner metal. It also has a 24-position clutch, which is great for repeatable screw depth when you're doing a whole room of shelves or installing hardware across a long run of cabinets. This drill is not the smallest option. Independent testing notes that it feels bulkier, with a tool-only weight around 3.1 pounds and a head length around 7.5 inches, but the payoff is speed. If you want a drill that can handle larger bits with less slowdown, and you already own ONE+ batteries for other RYOBI tools, this is an easy upgrade. Just respect bind-up, use the side handle with bigger bits, and keep your wrist in a safe position. Number 3. Bosch 18-volt Brushless Hammer Drill/Driver, GSB 18V-65N. If your priority is control, compact size, and safety features that actually do something, Bosch has a strong option here. The GSB 18V-65N is a brushless 18-volt hammer drill/driver rated at 575 inch-pounds of torque with a top no-load speed of 2,100 RPM. It's listed at 6.9 inches in length and about 2.5 pounds as a bare tool, so it doesn't feel like a brick in your hand. A feature that really helps at home is Bosch's Rapid Mode Selector. Instead of fiddling with clutch settings every time you switch from driving screws to drilling holes, you can jump between driving, drilling, and hammer drilling quickly. That saves time on mixed tasks, like drilling pilot holes, driving screws, then switching to hammer mode for a couple of anchors. Bosch also includes kickback control to reduce the risk of a sudden twist in a bindup, plus dual LED work lights, 20 clutch settings, and an all-metal chuck for strong bit grip. In independent hands-on testing, drills with this layout have handled common home tasks without trouble, including driving longer 3-inch screws and drilling 1-inch holes in wood with a spade bit, and even drilling into concrete when you switch to hammer mode with the right bit. The only real knock is platform preference. If you already own Bosch 18-volt batteries, it's a no-brainer. If you don't, think about what other tools you might want later, because batteries are where the real investment usually lives. Number 2. DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Compact Drill, DCD 801. If you want one drill that feels compact but still has enough strength for bigger home projects, the DeWalt DCD 801 hits that balance. It's listed with a top speed of 2,000 RPM and up to 1,050 max watts out, while staying small with a 6.5-inch head length. The bare tool weight is around 2.8 pounds, which is a nice middle ground. Light enough for daily use, heavy enough that it doesn't feel flimsy. Where this DeWalt earns its spot is the control and the lighting. It includes kickback control that can shut the motor off if it senses a bindup, and it includes LED light controls so you can choose brightness and how long the light stays on. That helps a lot in real homes, where you're drilling under sinks, inside cabinets, or in a dim hallway closet. Better lighting and better control mean fewer stripped screw heads and fewer mistakes you have to patch later. It also fits the one-battery family approach. DeWalt's 20-volt max lineup is massive, so if you already own a DeWalt battery for a light, a saw, or a trimmer, this drill slides right in. And if you don't, it's a solid place to start because the platform has everything from impact drivers to shop vacs. Add a sharp bit and a steady trigger finger, and it's the kind of drill that feels calm and precise even when the job gets tougher. The only complaint is that it's a 2-speed model, not a 3-speed. For home use, 2 speeds still cover the jobs most people do. Slow for driving and control, fast for drilling. Number 1. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1/2-inch Hammer Drill Driver 2904-20. If you want a cordless drill that can handle nearly anything a homeowner will throw at it, and you also want safety tech that can save your wrist when a bit catches, this Milwaukee takes the top spot. The M18 Fuel 2904-20 is rated for 1,400 inch-pounds of torque and up to 2,100 IRPM, with a 2-speed range of 0 to 500 on low and 0 to 2,100 on high. In hammer mode, it's rated up to 33,000 blows per minute, so it can cover wood, metal, and masonry jobs with one tool. For home use, the biggest deal is the auto-stop control mode. When a large bit binds up, drills can twist violently, and that's how wrists get sore fast. Auto-stop is designed to reduce over-rotation in those moments, and paired with the side handle, it makes high-torque jobs feel more controlled. Independent hands-on testing highlights that this drill is not just powerful on paper, it moves through common drilling tasks quickly, and it can also drill into concrete with smaller bits in hammer mode. It's built with an all-metal ratcheting chuck for strong bit grip, and the compact length helps when you're drilling between studs or inside a cabinet. The trade-off is cost and battery weight. You can keep it lighter with a compact battery, but higher capacity packs add heft. Even then, this is the drill that feels ready for almost any project you decide to tackle next. So that wraps up our list of the top 6 cordless drills for home use in 2026. If this video helped you, please leave a like and tell us in the comments which drill you're going with. The product links are in the description below. Subscribe for more tool lists and home project help, and I'll see you in the next video.